Hello YouTube and friends, welcome to my YouTube channel Cool Ideas. Make sure you hit the subscribe button before watching this video. In this video, I am going to show you how to install best lock screen app for your Android device. So let's have a look. Go to the Google Play Store, type gesture lock screen. So by using this application, you can draw gesture to unlock your phone. Unlock with the gesture, fingerprint or pin. So let me open the app first. So in this one, once you open the app, it will ask for some permission. So you have to give that permission to access your phone settings. So currently we have enabled the gesture. We have set the color. You can set anything, whatever you like the color. Okay. You can set the recovery password here. You can set animation while unlock the phone. Lock delay, some sound, notification, everything you can configure here. And you can set enable lock screen to on. Okay, so let me lock my screen and let me open. Okay, now I have to unlock the app. So I have renamed the notification bar here to signature. So let me see. So whatever you set the gesture, you have to draw the exact same to unlock the phone like this. See, I will do this. So this is the best app lock screen for your Android devices. So you can unlock the phone by using your signature. That's it for now. And if you like my videos, hit the like button and subscribe my channel.